Morning. So in the US, while politicians continue with impeachment proceedings, on the economic front, Powell is reassuring investors, saying that now is not the time to think about reversing the easing measures that are in place, so supportive of the market. On a shorter-term basis, though, markets were spooked somewhat by a jump in jobless claim, another one. The S&P fell about 0.5%, Treasuries, yields, gold, the dollar all stayed flat as investors are digesting the information and thinking how they should position themselves. Now, relative to traditional market, Bitcoin has been really marching in a world of its own. So after prices rose 5% the other day, we're closing another day 4% up, currently at $39,000. Alts are also fun to look at. Ethereum is outperforming, up 7%. Chainlink is up 11%. Polkadot, which had risen 33% the day before, is closing the day 24% up, so at $13.50. Now, some of the other alts, the older proof of coins, aren't doing as well and pretty much closing flat. So the Bitcoin dominance index, so showing Bitcoin versus all the other alts, is pretty much staying on par with each other. Now we're at an interesting juncture looking at the Bitcoin chart. We're just inches away from the all-time high, and in the past few weeks we've almost grown accustomed to piercing through those regularly. It'd be very interesting to see whether we do indeed break through and close the weekly candle up, or if we close a weekly candle down. So looking at the RSI on the daily, it's kind of fallen sharply, suggesting we might not have the strength to go further up. And if we start another leg down, then the 30Ks or even sub 30Ks is actually likely. It remains to be seen. In the long run, though, the enthusiasm has not died down. We just came across a skew table showing the Grayscale GBTC inflow, and as they just reopened to new investors, you can see a nice bump on the chart, showing that people are looking to get in. Lastly, earlier in the briefing, we talked about Jerome Powell. He's made another comment, this time relevant to crypto, saying that the Fed is studying the risk of stable coins as a very high priority. Now make of that what you will. That's it for me today. I wish you a great day and a great trading day. If you haven't done so yet, please like, please subscribe. It actually helps with the visibility, but also means you'll be updated when new videos come out.